Michael Bata ye twa kreinke e mamuni amanfo nkruso a ejamon petrepene mpatrapa magiatum ene yakeke si ani a yesemfo pani atena se de bema mode emabo sekan ne muo afrosoro ase nyina ye ede afrimu abusafo ensam ne doso pa awiai anase enwumre na poso eni ene si ene mo kasei andi si amanyoko ya mamre ne amania Professor Jena na upoko ajiman wamo epan hontuma edi ache wiase nyina se ono ena mampeni da John Dramani Mama ayino se di tua pemwa wone no eko afi abatono no
Oje oya ojebi ayo president at the National House of Chiefs and odi futu ma Ghana for fia batwa ebetu
abza for dem call my Ghana court about time Supreme Court so and no mo kwa setena ekwan ne se emra bia na kamera se dwafo ekwa akwaje atum se be ya mampani yere ene mampani abedi ye kire ye nkokotu omoka no ene Supreme Court mpanimfo akwa akotwam ye dem ranimfo ebidi ho nkoma nyumre
sanso ana kane so fo be de che ya no hwe akwane abedi won sanso anso Mama Jane, El Pokwaja, my Basu, Papa, El Chirase, Mamma, one mate, your dear man, Esafata.
And now Dr. Rashid Pelpo, so see, I'm Rasmi, Jenny, one Rasmi, Fima this year, and what was central about on Pessia, so was it doom so young Fossabo, and Gugum and Peniaku for the Bobuano Sense, Edian Sa, Ebekako, easy gift for Niase.
Yeras and Sobwa Chedia, Quatu Joe, 50 man, Temuase, and Chakra contractors say, Yebetutia, one and I KJT, Johnny, yes, a man for so toss to 1 year to Madaya, say lights be womuntiai, and to toa, and yet to almost tosmo, and you may be back on Yakwako, Dodoa, ye be Ediamo Monado, Soa, Yatutumu. Afei Andes Yamanyokono so adiaba altresa fiaba to abatono wo mo hwe pado do bia nim awomra hye bejefi
abzafo weni afofro pinwa ne yakeke se ne ne sekase ababia wo bia na nwumre ye ba ne de ababesum wo sa wotienka obro ne afomantam ne mu a ha Sompa 98.9 FM sa wo bono isia Sompa 90.7 FM na asantemantam ne mpotam nyina Sompa 93.1 FM ekutaye mu a nwumre bia wo bia no ye ba na ya babesum ye mfaseda ema enyuma ekoi
Mizo and 5G can ho be 21st clinic ye sciatica expert 3 herbal center what the 3 core capsules kokoma sete drono diaba afei is my kitchen restaurant the same control set ayan what ye aduane pa ma ho ato express group de wo to fa ade wo akokwasi broni krom na watumi akwakwye adwuma ama ho ato awusia wani nyuma kwa ho do won madoma so esene na yede kase bo baba som asofune mienu akosia ajewa kwade boaten menimia
nana ya obo amalibi aboga
ensemi
obzafo yen hyase enfamo mfrifike sie menhia ahemfie ene eye wukude na se de mungina munim no krobia sante kotoko hino pem so se tutu otosumi no danso tipeso da yepa ebe fro sikadwa kofi tena benwa so no mfie makoma kwadio no enum 25 years ene eye afi pepepe eno nti emperifo se ne ma pinu a ene eye afi mu ni nyina na omo ahyehye dwumadi ahodo a ye de edisa da ye kwansronko so na ena ukuda a eye menhia himfie na no mahimfo etena se no womo eyi edema hoho a womo aba betena santimemo se ye wo infantefo eti eye asantimemo ye wo anwonafo eti infantimem ye wo eye dagombafo eti eye asantimem ye wo frafrafo eti asantimem ye wo wangarafo eti asantimem ye wo ibofo a womo ewo alatamem no mo eti asantimemo womo nyina ena ukude no krobia asante kotoko hene opemso se tutu otosumie no ebie na pono edema sawo ho nyina se omomre na omo emeda o mamamre eni omam ne edi enkyere eya santeman ene krobia asante kotoko hene emenene sewani ensese ye kache wo menhia himfie na yankwa o man so na yekotie besiafo ye professional konkonsani ase ene mo kasei o menhia himfie na de etwagu ho nyina na ni esemu bi kwamredu ye ne no enkonkodi nkomo kwam madwoi som ne boye nkomo sabre abawie ya na
Ibya mame na wase sabe wedi kanka no mi ka se de utumfo epegye ne mu ansa ema wona wo kan no ahemfo kan ho eni ahoho a wodi akire ebaaye be ma no munyo ewo nduledi anase mfie duonu num a wedi a ne odeje ahoho se omunyina emra no omone ne mekamfia se gwedi a ekoso ewa santimanti mu omuzo ni sim bra ono omo ani tu anamo na so obehwa enne no said ya na edi enda so ye ane ahoho da no otufo de bra wo tufo na se wo kasa no ana odi tuga se onu mpo de won kasa eye ahoho da ne momu ne san se woni sa manfra ani enipa ahodo nyina na ti o man mu anasa asante man tem ha enti so kasa ahoho kula da ne kemaye se o ya yi man se enti wakani nyina fia se ne manfo a woni o muti asante man tem ha ti de odi kan bodi no enemfa ntefo ehini ene wo mu agudia ewo mu mamu omu nyina ehunu se akwanti ometu anadodo na etimi aba santimantem no so otumfo yeri di sei na omusu entimi ama bono na baso a se aye mhoso se dia wodi kankan anwafo ehini ensoso bai efi wohwe esemu mantu ahodo mosifo ene wona wokom nyina no ene wona himfo ene wodom na eba ahimfi ha no a omuni otumfo ba bedi agro amana fefefe efi wona se wo mu nsem kapraba ene nya ahodo a wodi mu otumfo se wonye na ni dwumadie no onfa kusu ne na aho a onbeba ene ne nkrofo a wonu bepa bibi kakra bo mo no nyina no omo ene omaye na ayo kama na se de wodi kaka no ukwe afadi ahodo a ebe piemu ewo menhia no a lia na eni kanye sense ukwe anwafo omafade na efeye ona hwenye oni abobo mo nsa efi uba mfantifo the same thing na arse ukọ esemu fo no so a manfra dia ene wo nyina ede wo ensuhyade aba na etututu de etese amamre ewo amamre mu no na se ene efe ewo menhia ha no a libia sabia me kese otumfo ede ne Sompa de amanfo a wo maba na omaba be chia no se ono omuti mantem ha ana santimantem ha no boni bi entumi sie won so so edi ada se ene otumfo di dwuji a wodi ade na basbo de abo no won so chia obetia ni efata na esenso so ti sabe de ene ye ahoho da se de kanka no a obetia ni se nyakopo ya aduna efiada so ko no otumfo lo sa trase na ene fufuro so a eho no ene so woti anu wotire bi se enu be ye asoro koda na enso aba be hye dwumadie no mu ekna bra de mpaibo enso so ebeko ewade anim ewo dwumadie ntwedwe no mu a wodi ni wasantimantem no anase asantima so amana tashi ewiase amfana nyina no ono so ne mpaibo etumi de ewade no wasere emwa ene akwahosan ede abma no se de be ya obetumi atoa so asante eman no obepija de akoredum ewo nkunimdie mu nti ne libia sa wohwe se de otumfo etenase eni amanfra ebaaye ene ne bedi nkomo no a de se ene efe yenti nyankopon ya aduma de disa de akabia no de bobo ni nyano ye diekire se de be ya dwumadie nyina bewie no asantiman ane ganafo ene yasef ni na ebehu de otumfo eteja asantiman ede akwaduru
Mate yeda se yenua kwamre du ne butu menhia himfie nwumre ya ene ukude a krobia sante kotoko ina opem so say to tosum you know de ema manfrafo a ababetena asante ne yewo anuna gajansin yewo eye anuna mfante new town ene yewo dagomba lai kese obrono ahudo pia womo ede ama eye yenuanom a womo abebo mo sesen ewo asantebamunti ne krobia sante kotoko ina biemu ede mo se omsoso omomre na omamamne womafade womunuane womuniema womo eye no womo emeda ne dimfanchente ne de na efese omenhia ahemfie
anodwumade kakra ya wobo dwa womenhia ahemfie ya mpanyefo twotworo womunyina dade omani monyankota kire no yade a na nananum ahemfo bedwakuo kasie ye wasantemantemu National House of Chiefs one more president oje oho ya ojebi na wono so ewo hobi na wafasa akonya no so ade atudwa ya wotu Ghana fo nyina fo akire se ene ya ye wasumdue ye didi ye tumi kwaba na ye me a wo be yetumi kasa no yonko ne yade a efepa wo se no kire se asumdue e wo ba bia kire se Ghana oman no yetumi ye bibia mane ye ya ntokwa emesankamu sa na wo sere omanfo se ye hwe na afia bato ye beto no penche menteme ho asa na sempo nipa binom emfatakuo na sempo a ena da oman na dwene ema oman na sumdue ye wo no ena ne embutu awusia oje oho ya ojabi no na ya bono na ya bomoden say benya ni nyina da na ya bo ma de hye no atie sanse eye futu sam kranhye sam na wode ma Ghana for
and political persuasion. We are one people with a common destiny. It is our responsibility to preserve it. It is important for all of us to work towards fair, peaceful elections. In relation to forthcoming elections, a number of political campaign themes have emerged. The MPPs breaking the AIDS, NDCs holding the Ghana we want, Honorable Alan Martin's Alliance for Revolutionary Change, and Nana Kwame Bediako Jada New Force Agenda. But none is bigger than Ghana. None of this is bigger than Ghana. We need to kill, vote, and have our results declared. As chiefs and community leaders, we have a responsibility to educate our people, especially the youth, not to allow themselves for any politician or political grouping to exploit their vulnerabilities to engage in violence or any vice which will undermine the individual and community safety or the integrity of elections.
I was your way a National House of Chiefs President or Joe Waya Jabino and what you know, and as well for your sharing some I want some so one monya for Steven as some more watching as a bee. One so like a cry it was so.
Being a symbol of peace amidst successive governments and politics, it transcends across the country. Your advocacy for arbitration instead of litigation has been the backbone to the sustained peace we enjoy as a nation. We are thankful for your continued contribution towards peace in this country, just as we have for your several interventions in the past. When governments sometimes struggle to bring peace to the conflict areas, you have stood up, and I recount the age-old Gabon chieftaincy conflict, which through your leadership helped the nation to bring it to a successful conclusion and to peace in the area. We also have done something in the past that we have involved you for, such as the Boko conflict, which we have brought to your table and under your throne to help the government resolve. Peace has always been a core value in our tradition, and we have come to embody it in our times, such as we see today. In my concluding remarks, I want us all to celebrate His Royal Majesty Otumfuo the Asante for his invaluable contribution to the Asante Kingdom and to our nation, Ghana, and to the entire African continent and the world at large.
I was your way a year so 4 years was sure and some so monya for Steven asamwa what
I was for young for more and freeman chef CM na fe young for more and co NDC amanjuku na tena ye say anemo ka say NDC amanjuku no ya mamreni amane na Professor Jena no Poku Ajman wo mo adanedi de akire wi ase nyina say ono na mampani da John Dramani mama yi ne se ne tuapam a wone no ekwa akopre mampani adwa no afia bato a ye beto no December bosum ne de so and so no and to see animal say our UPS abonten so our enkrapompre mantemu no and penifo boja and penifo chocho rapipian kumakuni and nintinia or more akabe wom and ye endi samanjukuno and penifo a ye so mabo jusemu ngi to a donko eye nara egu eye UPS abonten so a or more ekwa kotechri na jumadia we ya ekoso no ejason perfect nsem chefo mo de ye ne a na mo de asem ye bopini endi sim penifo bi no mo ene wo mo edin ko busa wo no sesa jumadie ya ene ekoswe ya Professor Jena no Poku Ajman wom se bre kakranie ena mampani da John Dramani mama boni ding so nye ni tuapam na one ne nkopre mampani adwa no December bosom de toso nso afia abato a yebeto na fi no na ene no oda na di na omo ne senie ora John Dumelo ne yakasai Dr. Hannah Bisiu ene yakasai ena nana oye bampo akane ye fe na oye liter wono so ene yakasai ya omo echeche omo anwahoa ene omo ne gia wom se mampani eye kane mampani dada John Dramani Mama eye Professor Jinano Pukwajmane ne oda na di akire wiase.
It means for me it's like a day of independence for not just for me but the whole NDC, and for us in Ayawaso West we are happy that we are adoring our beautiful vice presidential candidate today. And it would interest you to know that the day she was named the vice president, the day after this was she came to Legon campus, and so that was one of her first official visits after she was named. And so I think she has a great link with Ayawaso West, and we're hoping to work with her to achieve success for the NDC.
Do you know personally and what contributions would you say academia will receive after she's made vice president?
I mean, personally for me, if you look at Ayawaso West, it's literally
I have an issue when people limit her only to the NDC. I have an issue when people limit her to the NDC. So she's not only going to be for the NDC, she is a woman for the nation. She's a woman for women. She's a woman who is going to be used as a light, that shines for the woman. We have to go India.
Experienced woman, professional, mother, patriot, Pan-African, Professor Nana Jane Opoku Agyemang, to be his running mate for the 2024 presidential elections in Ghana. And inshallah, President John Dramani Mahama will be elected president of Ghana, and Professor Jane Nana Opoku Agyemang will be his vice president. As a woman, she is exceptional. She has been first vice chancellor. She is innovative. She is results oriented. Our economy is in shambles.
Our democracy, especially the fourth Republican one, has endured over the years, and clearly we have had a number of presidents and vice presidents, but never before has a woman come very close to becoming the vice president of the Republic of Ghana, like we are about to witness this afternoon.
Amzafo nti wei eya kukuda mo wande isi amanjuku no ma sa dwumede omode omani mo nyama kwa akotachire ewo UPS abonte so ewo enkrapompedemantemo ena na omudi Professor Jinano Opoku Agyemang ne ho adanse no
basa fene na kakra ni asɛmbi abɛbɔze wo ma Ghana mu ya no nyina da ɛfase betua mampanyi ne ho kani aka ɛna na bɛde akyire so kani nwana ma hodo bia ɛwɔ sɛ wɔn nsa atumi aka na asasɛm ne ba ya no Ghana fo ya twene sere ne abasa ama mpanyimfo mienu bi kura tabiri de kɔkɔɔto a na wɔn mu kyerem so ɔman ne ne sika na ɔman ya ne sika de esi de kɔtua mampanyini ɛne ho kani ka na nya bia sabi o mampanyini ne yi no anan ho kani ne yi no so mrama ya adwuma emfa mo mayi na mpanyimfo mienu a wɔn tabiri asam ne de kɔkɔɔto no ɛyɛ South Diamond Shebadwani Yera Roxanne Nelson Dafiamako ana fei NPP panyipa ya wɔwɔ bono mantamu bono regional chairman Yera Kwame Bafo ya do no abon mane se abonye DC sampanyifo yi ana de asam no kɔkɔɔto a na wɔn mo kyerɛ se kɔɔto hwɛ na wɔn fa yie ento yie esan se ba bia anuoma keka kɔ no ahwɛ ya aban bia betena konya so ɔbɛhwɛ se ebetua ne ho kani eka wabra wɔman no wankase ne sika a yɛde ɛbɔ yɛ ho bra yɛkasa Supreme Court akɔ asetena ama mpanyifo mienu wɔn de kɔda kɔɔto nyina da no asɛnnie no aba ya enei wɔn mo kɔɔto no ɛkyerɛ se enamra kwa so ba bia se ebetua mampanyine ho kani ka anase na bedi akyire ho kani eka na wabra sɛnnie no ɛkɔ na wieye no bono regional chairman Edema NPP amanyuko no Yera Kwame Bafo ya do no abon mane se abonye DC wɔn nsɛmhwɛfo edi ho nkɔmɔ.
The parliament has adopted the recommendation that first and second ladies should be added to the position as if they are the deputy ministers. That is why I filed the suit, and hopefully the Supreme Court has said that Parliament exceeded their jurisdiction. They don't have that mandate to add unless that particular provision, which is an entrenched provision, be amended. And it's something that we have to amend it through referendum, and Parliament cannot do that unless it's done through referendum. So that is why the Supreme Court set aside the entire decision by Parliament that first and second ladies should be paid by the taxpayers' money. I think it's unconstitutional.
I was your way a Bono regional chairman Adema NPP Amanyokono or Kwame Bafo.
For yen to us so and far Mamoni Gusua Edemo Ewasam Komoiho ya Supreme Court in Penny for Quacotanasi Aquacose Sam Rabia Ghana Raswija for Kojitu Musen Kebeya Mampedin and Adu Danko Kufado ye and a Vice President Dr. Laj Mahmoud Bamia ye and Kenkum Kutio Moka Nenkomu Kofi Kranomwa or Moyenom Pension Sika and fa Emma Wunomo and ne oh my Ghana Court Bata Supreme Court Cotanasiano as some woman abo Edia to go Atu baby na ken koye mampeni na nadu den kwa kufado neye ene Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bamia womo eye nkoa enka obi te se mampeni da John Dramani Mama neye ebeba beka home mampeni abedi ekira wanya ne ba be kro eye papa pa kwase misata neye ono susu sei ekoba be shembi saso so na Ghana mampeni dada ono susu wanya ne ba be kro Professor John Evans Atamels of foreign equator what they been enko ono susu neye eba be shem efo kojovi togo figo kumkom ajudi Dr. Boom hello Kanjaga police Papa JJ Rollins kono susu neye adwo kwadu kono susu ba be shembi sa ema eye mampeni dada akofo ne yire tiase a kono nyina ba be sheshim bia enka oman no ebe hyase abo makoma busumi bia na se omukotre fie so a yakeka de masie ni na yede akwakoja wono kwan ene Supreme Court mpedinfo ekotena se no omo ede atugwa se sabra no omo esomua enyeye ene senena akosue ka Honorable Roxanne Nelson Dafia Makpo ya oye NDC mrasiwe jeni owo mrasiwe jefie ma desia ewo Saudi Abaton pesia so nipa miensa omutabiri asemi edekoda court bata Supreme Court no na oka ho ajejefo a omo etena asem no so Justice Gabriel Pomai Abzafo na okaho and Justice Lovelace Johnson na onososo eka jejefo no ho Justice Herita Mensa Bunsu na okaho Justice Barbara Akayensu na okaho Justice Samuel Esiedu na okaho and Justice Ernest Jewu wonososo na okaho na ni otena punuti Chief Justice Nemo Mame Gertrude Tokuno Onwa ena etine dwem se panel ni nyina no penimpa ena ubua asem no se wedie womo agitumu a enyeye si ekotua mampani ne yire eni mampani adada ni nyina womo yire no moka na mampani abedi eche soso no yekotua ne yire eka na yesa so kotua mampani adada fo no abedi eche nyina eka na yankwa omano so na yene Dr. Kwaku Anane Jindenku Dinkomo wo senior law lecturer wo mranim focus ye pa esa so kyeremra ewo gempa senior lecturer honomo yene no enkunkudi enkomo doc anyume ya mo adwo
yo mi dawasi na mukuru mo design
erade adom ye krom ha ye na mososo mo ho
oh you go so kakra
yo yeda erade ase ene eja Muhammad Jume ya put it to you no ena ba akoko pie Supreme Court judge for nso atena se ebu asem no se omunu se enyemra si ebetua first lady and second lady for eka na we na manfo obusa se na omo a te se omampani dada John Evans Atamels ya we free mu a na yire tiase mampani dada JJ Rollins a we free mu a na yire tiase mampani abedi ekire a ono so free mu a na yire tiase emisata why ene behwe wu no ni
yo mi na mama na wase na min chewa tifo nyina na ni atia ni se ye ka se ye beye kadna min ka duaban no ye di chiche bi ba se paninfo mu bedi omani anim Sir President, Vice President, Speaker of Parliament, Electoral Commission, National Commission for Democracy, Shiraj Pani, Omunina, Oka Omunina Boma, Emrano Chire under Article 71, Sika Yemfamawo. And on Article 71 office holders. No. Now, Ansana, you be to us as Sika no amount. Now we are public officer, near private citizen. Eti ekoba se ntia mo committee no na ntia ni se unim after every 4 years aban bi aba oye changes or certain committee say oh Article 71 office holders no we review for more salaries and entitlement and emolument but more reviewer ye review ko famo ye review ko so da bia President Kufo Seti Committee Nubi, President Mills late or Seti Committee Nubi, President Jerry Rollins or Seti Committee Nubi. In the committee, no more reviewer, no bezo maybiano, but normally, or more increase it. But trick a woman say the review of Article 1 office holders, you know. I go say, strike my back, I strike your back. And the president, or more review. The report no bueno. Also the common parliament. Na parliament approval. Some a parliament almost the bar. Na parliament approval ma won. It's how go na no muni edi da bia. And the last one I buy no ntia mo committee no. Omo can say oh so say the yanom first lady ni second lady. E was say ye di omo so ka ho. E recommended to come parliament. Emma Parliament is due to both MPP and NDC. Say, it was a peer, former First Lady, President First Lady, Second Lady, Omuninaka. It is approval not a buy. And the almost last 2 years, 2017. Emma 2019, DDB Bahu. And a President First Lady, Mame Rebecca Kufuado, Omoni Baumia, Hadia Samira Baumia. Almost signed the Sikano Omuji since 2017, no, signed the Koma Abai. Auntie Akufo-Addo lady, First Lady Akufo-Addo Rebecca, Nidiano, Otiano 13 July. Now Sikano Otia from 2017, no, now almost 899,000. Otia Nina back. But question a woman say. Sani Pemi first and second ladies are they public office holders? There be any constitution don't say clear or chile nipa or your public office holder or follow under Article 71. Na ebalo say and antia mo committee no or recommend this say the yem fanka ho contrary to what the constitution says. They go to parliament, you know. In the parliament, and so Nasa Omunim say, first lady and second lady, Omu public officers, and the recommended Jina a committee no diabano, any question Kamuji. But I quite strike your back, I strike my back. And the whole parliament, both MPP and NDC, Omu approve, says Sikano, Yemfa Emao. But we shall Yemuno, Article 108. Article 178. And sana ubeyi sika fi abafo tuomuno. It has to come from government through a bill, debated in parliament, and given approval. Where it didn't go through all these things. Commenting recommendation, no, any bill from the office of the president and I say from government, and any act of parliament, and do the year Duma a year. Enti yemi anum de court no na yemu binu de yaniji pa say ye challenge that unconstitutional act na committee no aye no na ne yemi nwa pa ne say members of parliament enti na are they not aware of Article 71 omunim Article 108 Article 178 na omunim ana enti minia I strike my back I strike you, strike my back, you strike my back, I strike your back.
Na doctor. Doctor, a man for so fee say the office of the first lady aye juma a empokra no ye dey a soldier for any a police for ko gu omo ebo omo ho ban the office of the second lady no so ye juma ya fa krache for any a soldier for any a police for ekogu ha omo eye juma no omo ye it is how ruling we bebre na fee say ya nya fair to first and second ladies no no so
well when Supreme Court said the JB of Constitution no more how to interpret it Supreme Court to me to interpret the Constitution.
Okay.
The interpretation no so bad na bayemra sir we office yafa workers emra no say don't pay them and the first lady the office now are established any mranumo it is there by way of convention and the call be first will be to workers ka office accommodation will be to nika only problem enye aban no ya said it because the constitution and recognizing the office of the first lady.
Okay.
Eni musa.
Okay.
Enti ni omo ye nyina babi e be fa so a ye be kwa ye be fa so a ye be nye sika tua all this soldier for ye be tua won kan other things no eni mranum is just by way of convention. Yes ye jitu say the brain ya adwuma pa e de boaman no no ye adwuma boaman no a ade na ye so ye fa kwan bi so en support no enti megiri say soldier for office workers a omo ho nyina no beju omo akwatia after the office of the president in the new person any separate budget for this office because constitution no and recognizing this office bibia ni musa
yo doc odi me enfon sia na baby ana akoye ya dwendwere ye say wo mo so omo kunu no ma wu ye no mo ye first ladies omo ye second ladies no ye bede ni ahwe wo mo ye ja omo sa mo mabraba ye basa wabro masumo mayi omukunum asumo mayi ye ja omo sa because omo offices no say dey okay mrakwamu no eni babia say wo se ye hwe omo ana ye nwene ko ho sa
mini ansem wa na so wu a sebi nyame frɛ wo a ye frɛ bibi next of king and I say what interstate succession law say o be ma wuja ne ba ye wo kwan ye fa so che na gapade ne ma ne ne yire e first enti wan ye we kura no e wo mu se bi Nyankopɔn tud ne nsa frɛ wo a wa gapade o wo no ni sika wo no ye be cha e wo se wo ma ne wo yire first enti no se president and also vice president okoba bi na se ne yire ti asia ni kunu no pension wo no it will have to cover that woman in the zikanga e de ma former president late no e wo say sa sika no ye de ma ne yiri no a otiase no
yes ye ti o mo kasa akosi so mo bewu owu ana esizi ananya sa yes say
no payment is different from pension.
I say bosomi aketua ye betua na bosomi aketua sa ye betua na light bill ye be sesa car mano every 4 years bia na say every 2 years bia sa de man be ya man sa akosi say obefrim enti be man frim a say a season no ana
monthly payment na season but the pension so we say as 71 office holders no your salaries emolument benefits and privileges
no correct
and the salaries no na wu a ye twamo but other benefits are you are entitled to no ebe ko wo yire ho
okay
and amoro aminia obi be the president I don't think so be the president umpa o say ehia wo yire ne wo ma o because privileges ni advantages e wo ho no otutu no mai ya nya de be hia oda
na doc ne 1 to 2 years we
well and say obrade obi aboko na ni 1 to 2 years So you can't hold anybody responsible. Say, oh, I want to do normal year.
Yo, no. That's a pane school hodiako and you may be this so na actually Adria. You must also a bopun when you may any tea for near here for Yada was papa. I was for Dr. Kwekwana Nejin Deni and Nakwadin Komono, we senior law lecturer a war Gempa.
Mama Joyce Bawa, and can so for the shan was sure your corny abedi on some swandy saman corner pencil. And nowadays, to jar at a professor Janano Poquajamaya nay, Yapa no sell Mamma Yera John Dramani Mahaman abedi chirenia dear a sombo na ayapa. Was where no conscience a mamma no shanwa. One can say what dimu safata. Sir, this her running mate, Jumadia no ashaninsa. Was a modern boy at to watch and in your mouth drama, ya. Mijin Nando Poquajman, one wankasa waya noa, Bibia dia dansia sa anokwa, and nay no see a man running meta. What about me? Amanadosa.
In all humility and sincerity, this great nomination by John Mahama to serve as his running mate in the upcoming elections. Indeed, I'm sure you do know that for quite some time, we've had these very, very, very important conversations about the nature of leadership in Ghana. We've asked that for some time now that we should have women, not just as members of the party, but of course, sit at the table where the decisions are made. And we expect that they will sit also at the very, very highest level. Indeed, I think that John Mahama is actually on the cusp of making a very, very bold statement. And he didn't just make a bold statement, he picked an accomplished individual. So before we speak even about the fact that she's female or a woman, I must first and foremost indicate that this is a woman who is well qualified.
I was your way, I can't so far with the chair or share your quantum poem some so Mama Joyce Bawa.
I'm sorry for you to also the informal people among you could not say ye war or kind queen of about on Persia so a war and crapum premantum. Now watch ye and then I watch you chairman betu just send this semanti be at HSA or my cantama dinsia you are bogus mamia Ujadema MPP among you could or kind queen of about on Persia so honorable Nana Amaduku Siama Eji Semameno one chino and free constituency not one free one call no energy so be seat no and your friend is for someone. Mammy one here or more a be unity free honum, like I say, one by Jenny Quackra, your friend in some ya, and this imrantan about what it's true, and a branch about yourself and say, Mahmoud Wasmana, Dodona Salman, say Libya, a war, or Kai Queen of about on Persiaso, or more Ekekaye, and an amso, and ma and Pipim rantan about or more a one Persiano so, a Kadiachra pussy forces, Adianoa, a branch and a Kayano, and the Quincy or Mofanetra, if you say a BSC pain, boys be infantman empia. Free mama ne yere ebedi empino say ya no boys be ye bekuno amperi ampa ne nuane ampa omukoku papa ne ya enti omo catch IGP ene post adwuma no say ne NDC fo ahya ase ye e o kan kwen no for bottom pesia so wo enkrapompre mantam no omo hwe no omo entia wunum
Mana or Akutuma constituency. I a friend of Mahmoud Osman and haunted in Libya. Waka in Zambia, ye pese a police for Etumutina. Na Emra Muslim for would give up 8 young constituency Muhano. Yen Oba Tampa, Oba or Fama, Oba or Mobro. Obedi sa muslimi fui obema mo surprise neba ne sa no ototo niema ediko edniam kodi sa eda fashion na emu no na abra na onne ne nkrofo wo ko back to mfie no ena sa mamudi ebeti na kun ena oka se obeto meko egu neni ebien osanka se ansa na yebeto abani ansa na abato on bedusu no na security efu enyanu ma do fun munim se sa etitrasemi a okan eni ya memo eni ye kelima mi ke bia memo eni ya manyo sem no ebo ebra
Abusafo nti we ye MPP mrancha ne mabawa wono mo ewo okan Queen North abato mpeso aso ewo nkrapompede mantamu ne yete wono mo nkene ne wachire echitafo ne binom soso ede kakra eso so sei
enche bia ntem ye sinanye entwa ye kra abante bia ma no se fe no usma ye o ye no de ka se ni duane e kwa esa na o se democracy e kra MP candidate no ha wa send posters ni da ke se so what ti ni nyina o sa twati debt na ade a o so kuni pan kwase ase na o so kan no se ni duane bo ntem na de ka se de e ko se ni duane bo ntina ya nyina ya ba se ye ntra ho e ma ye nti e was ye fresh police ne street fresh officers ni na moa na and put South in order. Madam Ashley.
Nike Faro de Cascava de Bani. Kamayaya, the city minister, Nagari, Nakasa Sugar Bankasa, Kachek as one of the Tonka, Kayanga Matakai. Paid by that, if I paid it by the Bani. See us about for that body. Who will go Uncle Ishi? What did I you wouldn't have a body? I saw an Alani, that is again when the money.
Abusafo nti we ye NPP mrancha ne mabawa ne echitafo binom mo okan Queen North abato mpeso aso ewo enkrapompede mantamu ena yete wono mo nken
21st clinic branches no adosun 15 branches ene echwi wose Ghana fana babia no openwa ebusuade yan se wafre no siatika yade nko ade obehwe ede amount enye no nko yade nka nyina da 21st clinic wo mo edi hu djuma wo laboratory center sahodro ewo hono mo oba ojonso fifire wajana bibia won mo hwem afei wo betwa wo scan na afei wasa massage wo ede aka ho free ewo 0540 311311 3 herbal center at the 3 core capsule saba eyekoko masete dro ya etumsisiade ayem tim ana afei koko no ankasa emu wonya bia babo ye mampanyifo ye mankwada kitesi amrantie mu nyina da munsom se twetwei 0546107107 0546107107 afemizu ana 5G drinking so wonya bia eboa eyano de a etiapo ahode ewom na afenso otumi didi dwuma bia saya party engagement awodro ni nyina mu hia bi ayie chesade bia da ye fa na proto ho no ye nipa dom ebeba no eyemizu ana 5G drink ana was what serve wo was so we no ahode kuto ena hyew masechum 0246 270221 0246 270221 I was saying you know ni Anton Kramer sisia
21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siemu na fa wo nasia besi ase ho no se ho techima eno ene fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo siem wuje ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu yenti abasobo o magine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu ji international awards ahodo wo mu ji local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa. Bibrim hano ebini baby a gise 21st clinic nkwa. Wo mu de bibiduro ene besan ya no masa de machine aka ho. Eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de pa ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no. Eye sciatica ena soku nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade ne ade. Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho. 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na 21st clinic. Wo mu ye sciatica expert.
Introducing Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink, a whole new refreshment in a can. Mixer 5G is a tasty non-alcoholic drink. It is a perfect companion for all your events, including parties, weddings, and funerals. It is made with green tea, ginseng, guarana, grapes, and grapefruit. Get refreshed with Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink. For bulk purchases, contact 0246 270 221. This advert is FDA approved. Sompa TV, Emma Akitiapa.
I was said most similar I may buy a tour and some no as so for your share content power some so what when you force and so watch it and they want any chemo and with 50 mantemo. Ya and never quack share casua de banyan no quine and a casua de one more babasi winiba. A quail would drop be ya banadama contract. Ya was a contractor say one more a really in any chine yata. A beer modia above for nothing poor abida dano. A ya 1 year was say a banya what tissue. Well, 1 year 2 years. Nyina da onmunya forward na ni coach wisi akoya no wa send your contractors no wan wo yana fa no kwan ya won ba fa so na de aka kani nyina da no won ba fa de amama contract eno no de akwakoto dwa e won fifi mantemu a kire se nyankropon ya dom a anche kora wo fifi mantemu na fe kokoduru enkran ya wo ba se nkrata wodo no nioma wo so kurukire na wo de ko aban ya nim sane ye beye na contractors a won mo ye fifi mantemu kwan ye betua won mo ka enani yada no wobawa se obetumi ayo no saa afei akwan ahodo ye no so ye jeja aban dada no apenso na ne nyina wo mantimi ankoso no wo se na penso die wo behwe na ne nyina da yetumi asisi
and Western Region tour we shall share from Kasua, which is the gateway to the region from Accra, and Yakoshu very important communities, CP 1 and 2 areas and the Upekuma areas, and I say some communities when you know communities in Nipa Wumpa, and it's a whole year road idea. What in I want to be one contractor there, where the human by general construction, and another contractor the ends of abandon the site. So you go through the right procurement steps to terminate the contract and give it to a contractor who is more resourceful to work. If you are not, and I have Bodriasi, Kasua Bodriasi road. Road baby development baso apa ntia manipa ewo ha baby we papa see of akon any other important communities ewo ha na contractor all eduma we so ni general construction also so me kan no we eduma kedin pa.
And watching the director of communications, your woman, Pajana Tana, yeah, Eugene Ahin, also the Kakratoso.
Records for her. Work on campaigning auto central region sometime in 2022 now. I'll call 3 places. And I said 3 places, yeah, share a pioneer, you know. Number 1, I'll call Papasi. I'm a Kati sort for the construction of the Papasi to Council to Bodriasi Road. I'm a Nokasa Bean, I know, I can say, a quay service, you do not hinder the pressure to Susa, my day. Yes, I can and see at least we make sure Sunday about 2024 night be Saquino. Let me charge the contract and also say by September this year, now you be a quino. In Tiana make a when you give or take records no one Pinina Casabina no Ekaye. Or also bar traditional council, U2 senior traditional council, Obabriku, Emma, Omahinino, Abukadi, Ajimawite. At the Twinim said traffic aya war the stretch from Dumburam. Kaswa ebepem brekuno it's too much nti yenye bibi found na my president so ebie na no e ka say okay what na I think yeah who preparations am ya doma before about 2024 elections na start to road no nti eno ne Kaswa to Uniba highway ina yehu a start
I was your way director of communications woman Panyana Tana Eugene Ahin
na NDC mraso geni obo mraso ge fima de se wo wa central abaton pesua so Dr. Rashid Pepo no kire se bebi omani ya ba bedru sese no a yenka ne ntimi nyina so na yenya pani bia so besi bibi mfa nkire Ghana fo no office ye pobia bono so bo a hwene yankwa nkofofa yamfa nkofofa ECG fo mabobo ano ne mum MPP abanya mampeni na nado dankwa ku fodo die ni mu no ene yemfa subo bia enkoso mabobo ano ECG ene ne grid ko ne VR ne hompe prawade na eka ho no omo de ya krachefo a omo ayo munyuma sabadi sikama wurmu a enkomo moa pantena ho so mo bedundum kane na maganafo ye ho akwa yensa Dr. Rashid Pelpu.
It's ridiculous, it's absurd. It just shows the type of character this government has brought into our political and economic governance. A government that never accepts responsibility for anything. For our failure to maintain a good economy, it is because of COVID, or it is because of the war in Russia and Ukraine. And now there is power shortage. We can't keep our power on. Now it is because because there are some repairs going on. It's not doing so. Now there's rain and we put the rice off. I think this is not responsibility, the kind of responsibility the government should demonstrate. I've heard people blaming the ECG. It's not the ECG per se. It is the lack of responsibility, lack of commitment, poor management of our power systems, and our inability to pay for what we have, been consuming.
For Dr. Rashid Pelpo, NDC Mrasivijania, or Mrasivijima this year was central abato Empesiaso.
National organizer Dema NDC Amanyokono Ayerura Joseph Yamin, and what they are to trust a fear abato no de Amanyokono, Woma Mo Pa Sabi Mobisa, one more two and son of woman at the back, and Tiquabia so no Yakona Savage fear. One more sa Akunyana woman Yakrano, na or ha Edia 940 seats dear. One but to me a J. a woman Savage fee. One much as a Kwabana Sanwa, Ababua, Amasa Kwabasa, Yera John Dramani Mahama Krabat. 2025 wa na neoma ho do bia da ya de begu akwamu no Amanyokono ebetumi awi
ebetumi I encourage ni panema ni panso atiase what exactly the NDC needs to do in order to win more seats in parliament and win the presidential as well. We have plans in place. Ebini say pro forum for Abaha Omoyen, and a lot of activities will go on. Because we are near move from house to house, room to room, in fact, kiosk to kiosk, mosques everywhere, even the shrines. They organize everything, including the evil forces, just to push away the MPP from this country. From the look of things there, but no, they say complacent. We are not looking at the failures of the MPP in winning the 2024 election. The Yahoo Ding conform Niakasa Ghana for. And him say the more performance, Ghana for better my all right. But we are looking at the margin of victory. And say margin of victory in Betimia Kasia. It means that we have to get to the ground and talk to the people.
Joseph Yamini, a national organizer, the Ma NDC Amanyokono.
I was a foyer for Monko Katie Abonte, so a bed now watching Mununi and a KJT for Adasumo, Ningina, a light Belia, Yanteti HS, or more into Yentin and Amso, and my ECG Impedi for Aquacucho Moncadium, our KJT Jomo, William Redicaya, ECG Ako, no more Aquacucho Moncadium, Mutisumo, and a Edijo KJT Hodomo. Neba say, Yatete say management ya, or more Ewe Kumasi Katie and so near Jodifono, Engina Kabum say, Obi Bia won't you and the lights, and I say won't you and the light bill, no, or more Ebetono Sotomo, Emma, if you had not be seen that dear, I'm for near Yasam Ketua, shop say, I see what Matutum, Katie Abontis on a Sony, and say, ye catch when I'm so, Emma some performance, some chef for ne, Nana Prempe, Ekukudin Como, or in a Jodifoa, or more Ewo Kejetiano, or that woman, such a man, Yen didn't come up and say, na day, and Omuti Genum, na Omodin Kania ne Juma, Nabo Semesua, Omo lights bill, but number Jasho Moto, no more Enkunkutia, a campy many Mababeto Moswa, and no more shops na year to Tumuin.
And I watch you more and electricity company of Ghana. And then disconnected power and back against your sons and now Ghana because 7.1 million Ghana cities. Now, MP, on say I'm get from your Bab on Timber Castle, Yandeka. Now, ECG, literally, no echo streets, echo engage you. I'm catching say you need 2 million Ghana cities out of the 7.1 no, and some of the connected power back near Momo payment plan. But you will say within that 1 week, you that 2 million Ghana cities. The Bagonia Mani see 1.5 million Ghana cities. It's within 1 week, Monday, you could share 1.5 million Ghana. And now, on the connected power, needing crown or my as at Napa 9:30 or management now could Jessica because not leaders say you monitor BBR. But you see, you can no more reluctant kakra, but you better want to normal restore power. And I'm going to say within the next 3 weeks, I see we share 2 million Ghana cities. But I mean, the Namibia so on the car. Jesus, management.
Observe nti we na prempe na na wo chechi nsemo de kire ye no we yemra na o mahire ye dubu achi atena se no paya na o ma wiase nyina achi wade achi bi adwumade su no na prempe edi nkomo na ni wakire ene ne opani kokupoku soso no adwadefo wo keti ahonom no mpedimfo no oka ho yene ni kodi nkomo no no soso che se ekwan mpedimfo fa so che light bill no ya na ntiase enyim eno so ka obi na akwakofo hawe nyina ede abasa no
Meja commander my kwaya nyanya ye ko yisi ni so mo be ye free enkwaso yi free eye management nsem ye ngama eye last week and ye kika entibo mu ye se no ye da sunu o se da sunu na ye de mic fa mu se o se the management bo o mo de ebi mu se ebi mu so adika ya de atu ye se do ni so ko ja ye ka etinye nya be de na ye ya be han store entire mu etinye atiate etinye nya ye peda ko ye nya ye ko yisi ye ko yisi ko ka che o mo se eye onye bu na mo boaye adeti na ye di ye garma lo light eno na ye timi na tie kwa awo kosa eye se ye hu a police for ye de emla ye aduma eti ya ko eye kejetia police station ya ko na obo si letter na ye fa ko regional commander wo eni ye duru obo so si ye fa ko ye ko central obo si fa ko regional commander wo ye de letter ko ya ena eja e wa na oji ye no kai ye o si o se ye ko obo fre ye ye ko bi o no si no onu ko etini iso ye fa bi nkonko ma regional minister ye bu apa ye ko ye di command no so nti apewie se eye tra ya wade eni beye eni se obo de se ye eni eni gadi form ina so sa ko ye ko wa mo sa da mo sa ye se this for pedini aba a mo di djuma bi wo so so me se ye wura opem so bi o be sia so me se tra ye twensan no mo de mo sa da mo sa ye mo ntimi si akwan da bia da e ma ye ko yi si ne mo me se ye twensan eye otena no da emni problem mo me fe ye
Observe nti we eye kejeti ankomo na yekukudi yi
It's my kitchen restaurant. Ho na benya duane papa die ama wo ho atɔ. Wo pen kwan pia wo abusua wo benya bi wo is my kitchen. We fie kwan eno bi no moye. Eno chi no wo pe ano de ahodo. Na wo aka kan no ane nyina is my kitchen won mo etubi. Wo so kwara bi auto pizza ba ko ba chew ba ko. Enti na kwa kwa wo kwada no bofa ho. Na etubi fa ko man kwada no ene wo ho kani. Nyame yadma wo china aye banko ne tilapia. Wo to ba ko wode ba ko ebe piu so arusia shano so se obaba ya sports stadium hono mo pen traffic light no bibia na free 0265 707070 0265 707070 Express Group nso de wutu kwan ahe na apaso ko Canada na Holland US UK Australia New Zealand Germany yimba bia ya apaso abusua wona idru bia no Express Group do beko de yana sa wate won ma ho memu no madi nkomo sane o sika samo jetie bia no wo no beye na afi wo ho sane abusua kwantu no befa so obetu no dia fo mo de no mo se aye kroje mo fantete visa na wo pe anase bro kwa ye adwuma akwa obi e wo ho fafa won mo so ye wa so fuleba one about enkran wo kanashi first light ama community 18 la shebi go filling station ho no mo so wo mo e wo ho no mo fra ye e wo 0249 000448 0249 000448
Observe ye jira we so na nsama e baba na de be som ye de mo siase ni asore ma dwumadi aka aba beto so aseda enkoma kuku a oni chinchin fide de ma ye mranchene ma ba wa e wo Sompa FM ne Sompa TV newsroom ye da wono ma se ya grace ye school fees ene mranchene ma ba wa wo mso mugu technical room wo mo tayechi ama yetime e de brem wo ba bibia wo bia yene so ye be som na ya obo amali bia boga nwumre mene
akosia ajewa kwade aboate